CBFI 100 tons ammonia tube ice plant solution. With years of experience in designing large-scale ice plants, we offer edible ice plant solutions to over more than 170 countries and regions worldwide. Ammonia is a natural refrigerant, ensures high heat exchange efficiency with minimal environmental impact, promoting energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. The refrigeration system is near full liquid state, boasting high heat exchange efficiency. Equipped with a dedicated refrigeration monitoring room featuring transparent observation windows for real-time monitoring of operator conditions. The ammonia discharge pool, emergency ammonia vent, air separator, and oil separator ensure the safety of the ammonia refrigeration system. The refrigeration unit is designed with a two-tier layout for easy installation, saving on pipeline costs. The upper tier serves as an ammonia storage tank, storing and buffering liquid ammonia in the system to ensure stability. The lower tier features Micon compressors, known for their high efficiency and low failure rates, along with professional technical support and service network. The evaporator is equipped with a liquid level controller to regulate and protect the compressor from liquid hammer. CBFI's unique ice cutting device effectively improves the size and quality of tube ice. The ice is transported to the packing machine by the elevator. CBFI's automatic ice packing machine can pack ice bags from 2 to 15 kilograms. Sturdy and impact-resistant package. After packaging, the ice bags are transported to the ice storage cold room for temporary storage before delivery and sale.